Hi everyone. Today I am going to discuss now the material cost involved in the construction activities. So the material cost always required for the estimation and costing of the building work. So the periodical updates of rates is required due to price variation in the market. Also, the prices are variable from place to place and from time to time. So, always a civil engineer must be familiar with the rate variations at every intervals. Also, there are different brands are involved for every material. So, even that brand details one must be aware of it. So, please watch till the end so that you can follow the different rates and brands involved for different materials. Also, in brief, I shall cover the extra items of work which are not covered, under the square feet rates. So, when you give a building for a contract on a square feet basis, there are some extra items of works involved, like RCC, some septic tank, overhead tanks, or different works are there. That also we will have a brief look at the end of this session. Now, material cost. So, we will look one by one at the material cost and its rates. So, now cement generally comes in bags. So, each bag of cement, how much it cost? So, per bag it cost around 320 rupees. So, steel per kg it is 70 rupees per kg. Bricks comes in 3000 numbers per truck or 2000 numbers like that, but each number it costs 10 rupees 50 paise. These are all locally available brands. And fly ash bricks, so fly ash bricks comes at the price of 8 rupees 50 paise per number. So we have a solid block. So solid block comes in three different sizes. One is 8 inches block, 6 inches block, and 4 inches block. So the dimension is 400 by 200 by 200 mm, 150 and 100 mm. So these are all the three types of blocks involved. So the rate of 208 inches is 44 rupees. So this one block is equivalent to about 8.5 bricks size. So that is why the price difference is there, and this is much economical compared to the bricks, but it is heavier in the construction work. 6 inches block, so the price is 42 rupees per number, and 4 inches block, the price is 38 rupees per number. So then we comes to AAC blocks. So this also comes in 8 inches, 6 inches and 4 inches. So let us see the price of this. So 8 inches block, the price is 90 rupees. The size is 600, 200 by 200. And then 6 inches blocks, it is 150 mm. So the price is about 82 rupees per number. So AAC 4 inches block, it price is about 52 rupees per number. So these are all the different rates for the AAC block. Then comes the M sand. So fine aggregates category M sand. So the unit is in CFT. So the price is 55 rupees per CFT. So always the crusher and the transportation cost is more important. So some places there will be more crusher in general in nature, and the transportation cost will be less. Then the P sand, plastering sand, is about 62 rupees per CFT. Then we have coarse aggregate. We have generally mostly used is 40 mm aggregates and 20 mm aggregates. So which is about 40 rupees and 42 rupees per CFT. Then gravel, which is a locally available material. So the price of gravel is 30 rupees per CFT. So then comes the RMC, ready mixed concrete, where you use transit mixers to get the ready mixed concrete. So there are three different grades: M20, M25, M30. So the price of M20 is 5300, M25 is 5500 per cubic meter, and M30 is 5700 per cubic meter. So tiles, again you have different brands of tiles involved. So different pricing is there. So average price of a floor tile I have considered about 50 rupees per square feet, and for wall tile is about 40 rupees per square feet. Similarly for the granite, which is used for kitchen counters and steps and all, so the price is about 150 rupees per square feet. So this is the major cost of materials involved in construction activities. So this is for the month of December 2025. So this is the various pricing details I have tabulated. Now, as I mentioned, there are other activities, extra items, so which are not covered under the square feet rates. So borewell, underground sump, septic tank, weathering course, compound wall, plinth protection, overhead tank, elevation work, landscape work, plan approval for the building work, and interior work. So these are all different items which will normally not cover in the square feet rates. So this will be costing extra. So we will see the details of the costing and how much it will cost per square feet of the building in the next coming videos. So with that, I am just ending this with cost of the materials. So thanks for watching.